I am Black, African American, and I have albinism. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say happy Albinism Awareness Day. If you already don't know or didn't know, I do have albinism and I was born with albinism. If you don't know what albinism is a genetic skin condition that produces little to no melanin in the hair, skin, and eyes. Before I get into what Albinism Awareness Day is, I do want to give out a little facts about albinism, and that leads up to what Albinism Awareness Day is. First off, I want to give a little disclaimer and say that albinism is not a race. One in any ethnic background can have albinism. Also, there are different types of albinism. So me, I am Black, African American, and I have albinism. I know I don't look like it, maybe to you, but it's because I have albinism and I was born with no melanin, but I'm still black. I just don't have no melanin. Also, people with albinism, we have to take care of our skin because they said it's easier for us to get like skin cancer. We have to take care and protect our skin, wear like sunscreen and stuff. Also, we are sensitive to bright lights. Also, we have low vision. Some people are visual impaired and some people are legally blind. I am visual impaired. I don't know if visual impaired and legally blind is the same thing, but I'm still learning about it. I wear glasses. I know some people wear contacts, but I wear glasses. And these are my glasses. I don't wear them often like that unless I'm going somewhere or I'm outside or I'm breathing something. I need to start wearing them more because I can't really see. So Albinism Awareness Day is a day on June 13th where we celebrate the human rights of having albinism, where we share like our stories and we post like pictures of ourselves or other people, and we say like what we're proud about and what we love about having albinism. We just share our experience in like different communities. We just celebrate the life of living with albinism. Also, people with albinism, we like go through struggles and we have to deal with ignorance and discrimination and racism. Some people could be really mean and demonic, but that's why you have to educate people, correct people. All I want to say is I'm proud of my albinism and I love my albinism, and I'm proud to be a black person with albinism. Albinism is beautiful. If you're a person with albinism, you can comment down below. Let me know like what you're proud about and what you like about having albinism. I always reply back to comment. Let me know if y'all want me to do like more videos, educational videos about albinism, so like people can be more educated about happy Albinism Awareness Day. You can follow me on Instagram if you want to. My Snapchat and Instagram and Facebook will be in the description. Make sure you check out my videos related to this one. Check out my latest video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.